The 1935 Quetta earthquake strikes Quetta in British India, leveling mud brick homes and crushing the bustling bazaar. Within moments, a magnitude 7.7 tremor shatters streets as panicked crowds scramble, fires erupt from disruptors, and aftershocks rattle ruins for days. Rescue teams push through collapsed alleys, uncovering survivors and countless aftershocks that prolong the city's agony and resolve. Analyses highlight fragile structures and weak emergency plans, driving reforms in construction codes and coordinated response that saved countless lives later. The Quetta tragedy underscores humility and readiness, proving distant faults can reshape cities in a heartbeat.